counties. In Florida, coastal Indian River, coastal Martin, coastal St. Lucie. Inland Indian River, inland Martin, inland Northern Brevard, inland Southern Brevard, inland St. Lucie. Mainland Northern Brevard, mainland Southern Brevard, Northern Brevard Barrier Islands, Okeechobee, Osceola, and Southern Brevard Barrier Islands. Your weather. Tropical storm warning. A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following county: Polk, Florida. The latest.
This is the third round.
Tropical storm warning.
Location.
For the following coastal waters from Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles, waters from Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles, coastal waters from Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet out to 20 nautical miles, and waters from Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Tropical storm warning in effect. Watch, south winds 25 to 35 knots, with gusts up to 50 knots, and seas 7 to 10 feet. Where, Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles, and Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles. When? Deteriorating winds and seas with increasing coverage of storms and squalls with gusts to tropical storm force beginning later today and continuing through Saturday. Impacts: very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and slash or secure the vessel for severe conditions. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 14 nautical miles northeast of Sebastian Inlet, moving northwest at 25 knots. As rain bands move northward up from the Treasure Coast, gusty strong winds and waterspouts will remain possible across the Brevard coastal waters. Some of this activity will move onto the Barrier Islands and further into the county this morning. Hazard, waterspouts, and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source:
Means we could get something like KI-63 soon.
Waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create locally hazardous seas. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations intended include Canaveral Acres, Georgiana, Rockland, Patrick Air Force Base, and Canaveral Groves. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
Flood warning!
Flood warning for the following county: Indian River, Florida. Flood warning in effect until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected.
Wait, my first flood warning on WXJ70.
Florida, including the following counties: Indian River and St. Lucie. When? Until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details at 11:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sebastian, Vero Beach, Indian River Shores, Vero Beach South, Gifford, Winter Beach, Indrio, Wabasso, South Beach, Vero Beach Island, Lakewood Park, Queens Cove, St. Lucie Village, Treasure Coast Airport, Fort Pierce North, St. Lucie, Orchid, JC Beach, Florida Ridge and Vero Beach Airport. http://www.weather.gov/ 50/ flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Alright.